Yeah, we're gonna have a massive snow.
Yeah.
That's good. Is he struggling a little bit?
Kinda. To open and close. Oh, they
Look
got
at
it
all that
all. The worst snow ever.
Look at the car. I can't
Yeah, just use
go
the
all the way
shovel.
to the car, but you can get when I leave. Might have to wait till
Did it melt it a little bit?
Does it make snowballs very good though?
I don't think gonna make snowball very
So
good.
it might not. It might be hard to make a slide.
Slide. Right.
Dude, I shoveled all around this.
I see
Now I
it.
gotta shovel all around it again. Hard to see. Dude, so much.
Rachel. Not cold? I
Look at
can
that,
tell.
Crazy. Look at that wall. That's definitely over a foot of snow.
Almost two. Rachel.
Yeah, that is so thick.
Yeah, the thickest so far.
On her roof. But this is definitely a foot on our roof.
You can see our car, it's just black line.